Okay, here we go. Hi, FreeYogaTV community, and welcome to the next chapter of our story together. I'm standing here in the YouTube studios almost 5 years to the date of our first class uploaded on YouTube, and I wouldn't be here if you hadn't all been on this journey with me and shared your own stories along the path. We now have access to these studios a few times a year to create content, and I want you to be part of making it. We started a fundraiser to help utilize these facilities to the fullest. If you're able to contribute, we would be so grateful. Or you can always join these kind individuals who've all decided to give a little something each month at patreon.com/freeyoga. We'll be expanding into new workshops, mindful artistry, interviews, and classes with some of my favorite teachers and artists. Simply Yoga Asana is a 30-minute series where we can check in with our bodies, even in our busy modern lives. We've started some polls, so be sure to vote on what workshops you want to see, and feel free to send in ideas. More and more of you have been reaching out and sharing your stories of walking the path with FreeYogaTV, and those stories inspire me all of the time. If this sounds like you and you want to join other like-minded individuals in conversation, we've started a Facebook discussion group, so I hope you'll join. For all the things that we've talked about today, I'll put links down in the description so that you can learn more of the details, and you can always follow my blog if you want to keep up with what's happening behind the scenes. Thank you so much for making FreeYogaTV everything it is today. And until next time, adventure well. It's cut.
Excellent. That's great. Nice job.
Let's go home. That's a wrap.